There's no embarrassment here, as it's just a procedure. Hi, my name is Darvi. I flew all the way from the Bahamas to Vera Clinic, essentially to fix my hairline. I found Vera Clinic through a social media platform, obviously TikTok. Everybody at the clinic is very informative. I decide based on, to be honest, the information that was given to me. And then I also did extensive research. I did read reviews as well. And so that's what made me choose Vera Clinic. I decided to cut all of my hair. Initially, I had inquired about shaving, if my hair would be shaved off, because I did not want all of my hair to be shaved off. But on my wash day, I decided that I'm just gonna, just cut it off because it's much easier to maintain. And so, yeah, it's gonna grow back. It's just hair, it's gonna grow back. My thoughts when I first arrived and stepped into the clinic, it was just, wow, super clean. Everybody just came to you, good morning, and it was just, everybody's just so kind, everybody's just so nice. Like I mentioned before, everybody walk you through every step. The interpreters, they are just A1, so it's very good stuff. For ladies, if you are thinking about doing your hair transplant, I would honestly say just do it. It's here, it's gonna grow back, you're going to love your results. I must say, do your research. Don't expect for results like in 1 month or 2 months. You just gotta be patient, and you will get the results that you want. You'll get your beautiful full head of hair. There's no embarrassment here, as it's just a procedure. You're going to love your hair. You're going to love everything that comes after the procedure. And I know we as females, we are more, embarrassed by the fact that we don't have the desired hair that we want, but after the procedure, you will have that. You will just have that hair that you have always been wanting. So don't think too hard, just do it. Thank you so much, Vera Clinic, for the experience.